Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a Halloween haul, FX makeup haul. So guys, so I recently went to see what I could get to create looks for you guys. I know I haven't used any special effects makeup. So special effects makeup, I haven't done them yet. I recorded another video today, so if you see the shirt again, please don't judge me. That video is like, I don't know if it's funny, but you should check it out because I tried to put my hair in the hair vase or vase or whatever it is, and let's just say things went in a different way. Anyway, so that if you all are creating looks for Halloween, you'll know where to get it from if you live in South Africa. And we'll just discuss what they have. Yeah guys, so it's like a huge box. This is not a box, this is a packet. Okay, so the first things I did get was this zipper FX. The reason why I got these was mainly because of the spirit gum. There's actually spirit gum here. Oh my god. Like, I've never used spirit gum before. And it comes with spirit gum remover. Remover. It also comes with like a real zip. This is a real zip. So this was like 25 rand, I guess. So I think people have done this like look so many different times. But you could try it out if you want. If you are on this, let me know. This is actual teeth that you put in your mouth. I haven't seen this before. I'm not sure what this other thing is. This is natural tooth colored vampire fangs tooth putty. So the situation. Oh, so this is the glow in the dark kit. A glow in the dark kit. I didn't really buy it because of that. I bought it mainly because of the squad here. For the colors, but the colors are not as vibrant as I would like it to be. So then I hate clowns, but then I bought this because it has all the like colors that you actually need to do any kind of FX makeup. This is also about like 20 bucks. I'm not sure about is this zombie skin kind of thing. I'm not sure if this is latex, which I hope it is, but I think it is. I'm not sure, but hopefully this is latex and we can create some cool looks with it. Zombie, I'm not sure what's their deal with the whole zombie thing, but like everything is zombie. Oops, it's like zombie. This is creepy skin. I don't have one that's opened, but if you look at it, if you open it inside, it's like a gooey kind of thing. I'm not sure. Skin protect costume, clothing in work area. Place in position of skin and press and shape and blend it into the skin. Oops. What this is like fake skin, or I'm not sure what the like FX name of it is, but it's kind of cool. And basic blood. The blood looks so weak inside there because like there's bubbles that's floating around, but this could maybe be like a sexy vampire look. Of the Day of the Dead. This only comes with one. The Day of the Dead face jewelry. So this is basically like a tattoo of that like tattoo stuff that you put on your face. I mean, people actually do like this makeup, but I thought that was kind of cool. I'm not sure what cream makeup this is. Oh, maybe white, just basic white. Then I got a bunch of these like glitterati's. This glitter stuff, stickables or whatever, to do some cool like mermaid kind of looks as well. I got I took it out of the package just to try to use it. already, but it didn't work because my ears are so weird. And it's goblin ears, or I'm really not sure what kind of ears these are. And I don't know how these are gonna fit in my ear, or how my ears are gonna fit. Maybe somebody needs to help me with these. But we could also do like a sexy elf. A sexy elf. The last thing that I have here is like zombie dirt. I don't know what's this Halloween store obsession with zombies. Maybe they are predicting some trends out here. But zombie dirt. My haul. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Hopefully I create really nice looks for you guys over this a few more days. I think we have like maybe 5 or 6 days left till Halloween, and I will reveal a Halloween look on Halloween. I mean my Halloween look on Halloween. And I hope you guys enjoy that, and stay tuned for these videos.